Well, I'm here on top of Jackson's Hill. It's probably the highest point in Sunbury. And it's a bit hazy out there today, but on a good day, you can actually see Melbourne City from here. I had hoped to show you around the old asylum. Some magnificent buildings around here. These are not them. But unfortunately, all of the buildings have been fenced off and you can't get any access to it at all. So it's a bit of a bummer, because I was really looking forward to showing you some magnificent architecture. What I can still do is just film some stuff through the fences. It won't be as much fun. Now, I'm not an historian by any means. And if you're triggered by seeing asylum buildings, I suggest if you have a deficit of happiness, either call Beyond Blue or buy an e-bike. Worked for me. Anyway, I'll take this opportunity to put on my song Crazy while I show you around the old asylum.
I'm a little bit crazy, you don't mind. Ooh, baby, you can be so vague. It must be pure madness makes us get involved. Though you made me crazy, I was crazy long before that. Look at how the moonlight shines softly to her face. I just want her lips to say my name. Say it. Let go of this crazy passion locked up inside. Though I made you crazy, you were crazy long before that. Crazy then. I wanna get crazy. We're a little bit crazy, we don't mind. Ooh, baby, you can be so vague. We share a little madness, don't try to figure out how we made each other crazy. We were crazy long before that. We were crazy long before that. Crazy.
Wow, it's sad about the fencing, but that was one circuit of the asylum. It wasn't always an asylum, it was also a TAFE and a university. It's scheduled to become Sunbury's art precinct, although there's a lot of doubt in people's minds because in fact there's been a lot of talk about it, not much in the way of money to actually do it. So it's such a beautiful place and there's so much that could be done here. Come on, Sunbury. Come on, the City Council. I don't want to name any politicians, but come on. Alright, see you soon. The Rupert's Wood Mansion. It's a most amazing historic building. It's also out of bounds to the public now. Technically I'm trespassing just taking this picture, but I'm just a little bit past the sign that says no trespassing. I'll turn around now and get the heck out of here. What's happening to our history, Sunbury?